Hey guys, Mike the Pan Man, Mike Pugh with Townecraft Cookware here. We're showing you the Man Pan, okay? So I'm Mike the Pan Man, and this is our Man Pan, okay? So this is our #1 giveaway. Here's how we market our product. I've had people at Towncraft's been in business 75 years. And when I tell people that, some of them say, how have I never heard of you? Well, one of the reasons you've never heard of us is because we don't advertise. We take our advertising dollar and we give it away to our host and hostess, okay? In other words, I come to your house, I bring all the food except 2 eggs. I clean up all my mess. We have a lot of fun. As I like to tell people, I'm very funny, I'm hilarious. You may or may not feel that way once we leave, but we have some fun. We eat a great meal. There's no obligation to buy anything. And but what we do there is for you hosting, you have some couples over. I come, like I said, we do all that stuff. At the end, we give you several choices of things that you get for just for hosting a dinner, okay? Nobody has to buy anything at all. You're gonna get a gift, okay? As a matter of fact, we've got omelet pans. We got an 8.5 inch. We got a 10 inch. We got a 12-inch omelet pan. We've got bakeware. We've got turkey roasters. You know, we've got all kinds of stuff, but by far the #1 gift we give away, the #1 thing people choose is the Man Pan, okay? We used to call it the French style griddle because that sounded pretty frou-frou, and we figured the ladies would say, oh, I would like a French style griddle. But when we pass this monster around at the parties, the guys love it, okay? And the reason they do is because we tell them the truth is you can do a pound of bacon at one time, 4 grilled cheese, 4 French toast, 4 pancakes, steaks, pork chops, hamburgers. And remember, our rhymes are preheat for meat and medium to low is all you need to know. We're actually going to show you cooking a ribeye on here in 10 minutes, okay? And just what I say as far as size-wise goes, we say you can do 4 grilled cheese, 4 French toast, 4 pancakes, steaks, or anything like that. French toast and grilled cheese right here, okay? So you can do 4 very, very easily. And you talk about a great pan, and it's free, okay? Let us come cook supper for you. And if you're not in my area, we've got guys all over the country I'd be happy to refer you to. So call us or text us or email us at MikeThePanMan.com. And my cell phone number is on there. You can call me directly, but MikeThePanMan.com. So again, we're coming over here. We are preheating a pan for a steak. We'll come back in just a few minutes and show you how to do that. All right, remember we said preheat for meat, so we preheated our Man Pan. We'll show you how you know when it's ready, okay? Just simply get you some water on your fingertips and flick it in there. And see how it's dancing around like mercury? If it sizzles, it's not ready. Kind of like spitting on an iron, it's not ready. But flick that in there. If it's dancing around like mercury, it's ready to go. So we got a ribeye here, and we're just gonna lay it right in the middle. We're gonna cook a ribeye for you in less than 10 minutes, okay? So you might even wanna look at the time up here. It's 11:29, and we'll come back in just a minute. We'll flip it, and we'll let it cook. All right, we got 3 minutes on one side. Show you how easy that is. Now, if you try to flip it and it's still sticking to the pan, it's not ready, okay? But 3 minutes on one side, we're gonna do 3 minutes on the other. We're gonna put the lid on it, remove it from the heat for 4 minutes. We're gonna have ribeye. We're gonna put a lid on it. We're gonna turn it off. We're gonna set it off. And we got 4 minutes, we got steak. So 10 minutes total, you got a ribeye steak that you're gonna love. Okay, as promised, 10 minutes on a ribeye steak, okay? And of course, it depends on how you want it. I prefer my steaks medium rare. So, you know, doesn't really have to be 10 minutes, but show you how beautiful that is. And I mean, look at that, just coming apart as we, as we cut it. Isn't that beautiful? All right, beautiful, perfect medium steak. 10 minutes on top of the stove, all right? So, that's our Man Pan. That is our #1 giveaway for people hosting a Towncraft party. Love to give you one absolutely free. So contact me at MikeThePanMan.com. My cell phone number is on that website. So call me anytime or text me. Let's come cook supper for you. We'll bring all the food. You don't have to buy anything. We'll give you one of those Man Pans, fabulous pans, just for watching. Okay, so again, MikeThePanMan.com. Mike Pugh with Townecraft Cookware. Towncraft.com. We'll help you any way we can. God bless you. Thanks for being with us.